Welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Teacher Pika. Let's learn together, have fun and grow together.
Hello kids! Welcome to our nature adventure. Today we are going to explore our beautiful world around us.
Let's explore together with Teacher Pika. 1, 2, 3, let's start. This is a tree. The tree is tall and green. Now look down. What can you see? It's grass. Say it with me, grass. Great job, kids. Look up. Can you see the sun? The sun is bright and warm. Look here. This is a rock. Is it hard? Yeah, the rock is hard. Wow, look at this beautiful flower. It smells so nice. Can you say flower? Good job. It is a bird. The bird can fly. Look at the sky. Wow, it's a white cloud. Say cloud. Good job. Great job, kids. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.